video demonstrates my understanding of ITSO CustomerMedia or smart cards. My name is Paul Bretherick. This is my homepage, paulbretherick.co.uk, and I have over 30 years experience of designing, developing and installing business systems or computer technology. ITSO CustomerMedia. If we take a look at a data model, this describes the relationships of the various component parts of ITSO and the products and the transport products that are related. If you need any details about ITSO in terms of a provider of transport products, they have a website, itso.org.uk, which describes the relationships between operators, bus operators, local authorities or various transport operators. So in terms of CustomerMedia, the CustomerMedia has a number of component parts. So if you take a stakeholder, stakeholders are normally the people that manage products or issue cards, and any one stakeholder can have many customer accounts. So for instance, a government authority issuing concessionary passes, there will be thousands of concessionary pass holders. Each pass holder or each customer can have one or a number of pieces of customer media. So this may be a smart card, it may be a near field connectivity enabled mobile phone, or watch, or some other product that are coming on the market all the time. And within the customer media you can have various products that are used for library or security access or sports club membership or various related other related products. But similarly you can have the ITSO products, and the ITSO products are contained on an ITSO shell, and this is where the ITSO, all the benefits of the ITSO security modules and data encryption come into play, in that the ITSO shell can sit on a customer media, a mobile phone or a smart card, and within any one ITSO shell you can have a number of products, ITSO products, and the products originate from a product provider with a product definition, etc. So this gives you the structure of how the different entities relate to each other. Stakeholder has many customer accounts. Customer accounts may have one or many items of customer media. The customer media may have products on one or many products and an ITSO shell, of which they can only have one ITSO shell and any one customer media, and within the ITSO shell you can have a number of ITSO products. So having developed this data model and got some thoughts around the data model, with my dynamic web pages you can actually build the system. So this is my dynamic web pages, and here we have just a few screens that can show you the relationship from a different way, in a different way. So the data that's held on any of these tables and screens is very limited in that it's really focused into the key information, but it can all be extended as and when required. So if you take a particular stakeholder, a stakeholder such as Flintshire Authority or indeed Wrexham, you can have a number of customer accounts. There's only one here, but of course there'll be thousands on any one stakeholder. A customer account may have many items of customer media, so these are the different customer media, and it may be a combination of cards, phones or whatever, and on any one piece of customer media you can have an ITSO shell, a customer media shell, or indeed a library access product or other products. And then within any one shell, ITSO shell, you can have one or a number of ITSO products, and these might be a concessionary fares product, it might be a stored travel rights product, a carnet type product, multi-journey type product, all of which sit on the ITSO shell. So this can be used to experiment with the various aspects and relationships between stakeholders, customer accounts to customer media to customer shells to ITSO shells, and ITSO products on an ITSO shell, and other products on the same media. So from a customer account you can pick up an individual, you can pick up their mobile phone or Flintshire elderly smart card in this case, and on that card there is the shell and the ITSO shell, and also a library pass and a secure access. And within that shell they have a concessionary fares product. So that's how it all holds together. So ITSO CustomerMedia can be used for various transport products, but on the same card or media you can add products from other providers. And this is all done with my dynamic web pages. So it's basically taken that data model, it's then built a system up off that data model, and all the functionality is here. So if you wanted to add new stakeholders, for instance, we can go to the stakeholder screen, we can just insert another stakeholder. We can do the same with customer accounts. You can do the same with media, shells, products, etc. And you can experiment how the whole thing holds together. With the functionality of dynamic web pages, you've also got all these drop-down lists. So it maintains the data integrity. So once you've got a stakeholder in place, it's automatically added to these drop-down lists further down the data tree. Similarly with customer maintenance, customer type IDs, etc. So all this is possible, and similarly, if you're concerned about the appearance of the screens, they can easily be adjusted to suit your own phone, your own style, your web presence. So whatever your web looks like, you can fit this in, and the functionality is separate to the actual appearance of the screens. Similarly, you can run it with background pictures and fonts, etc. And this is a mobile style, so you can run it on a mobile phone. You've got all the functionality and available on a mobile phone. So that gives you a quick overview on both ITSO and the selection and association of the different entities within ITSO, and how ITSO CustomerMedia holds together, but also a quick view of dynamic web pages. The dynamic web pages, if you have a look on YouTube, my videos, and search on Paul Bretherick and dynamic web pages, you'll be able to see how easy it is to extend these various screens to incorporate more fields and more pieces of information about each of the various entities within the system, but also adding functionality onto the menu structure. All that's available. If you want to talk about data models or putting a business system up onto the web, then these are my contact details, paulbretherick.co.uk, so we can talk ITSO or a number of other business areas, getting a product up onto the web. So once again, thanks for your time.